Yes, hello mga ka-maintenance. I was here in boys bathroom to repair the broken sink hose. Both to sink washing hand. Yeah, so look, I just put a notice, do not use please. Yeah, and then the other one, also this one. So I need to repair and replace a new one. I removed already the old one, this one. And then I'm going to put this the new I buy a while ago, and then this the other one. Only the problem is the hose, but the other one is need to connect. But I will show you how to fix without removing the stand. It's easy how to, because if you have technique how to do it, it's easy. So this one is already cut, and then I will remove also this one, so that it's easy to put the hose. Because see, look, the old one, no, maybe it's take 5 years ago. So I'm doing now to replace the hose. So let's go mga ka-maintenance. So yes mga ka-maintenance, I'm going to start now, but first I need to connect this one here, the hose, so that it's easy. At a simple way how to fix the sink hose. Yes, mga ka-maintenance, like this, tighten very well so that there's no leak. See, look, so like that. And then next, I'm going to remove the remaining broken hose inside the pipe. See, look, it's already removed for them, and then I will pull it there. Yeah, there. Okay, I remove it already. Now I'm going to fix it to the sink. So there, mga ka-maintenance, now I need to put inside this one and then fix it already. So I will connect this one. And then tighten the bolt. Just like that, how to, my technique how to fix the sink broken hose. Tighten, see? Oh, I'm done tightening this screw. I will get the hose inside and then put here. There. There. Just simple like that. Then done. See? Mga ka-maintenance, I will remove now this notice, so that I'm going to try if it's already function. See, I'm removing the notice. And then, because both two washing hand are broken. Now mga ka-maintenance, I will try to open the water now, if it is working. See, good there. So let us see if there's leak. So okay, this is the first one, and then we're going to the another one. It's open also. There, it's working, and then let us see the hose if there's leak. Nothing. So both sink are functional now, mga ka-maintenance. Now if you are new in my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to click the bell button so that you are updated in my next vlog. Thank you very much.